Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a tiny update video with something else, which we'll get to soon. So recently, I've had some sad news. My dad passed away on Monday night, and works took over my life, so I'm sorry I haven't made a video in like months. But today I'm gonna do an update. So my dad passed away. I've had to work, shifts, all that stuff, and I've just been too tired to make a video. So I'm sorry about that for my subscribers and fans. And obviously I was going to make a video a few weeks back, but with all of my work, shifts and most things going on, I haven't had time. Cause after work, all I want to do is just get in and chill and just relax for the rest of the day and not have to do much else. So that's enough about my update. Something else I'm going to do today is this. I went shopping a month ago and got this. If you guys can see, it's a perfume called Chloe, and it's orange tangerine. It's like the new one that's just recently come out, so I'm gonna video myself unboxing this. This is what it looks like inside. Orange tangerine. I tested it in the fragrance shop and it smells amazing. This is a 30ml bottle. This is just what it tells you to do the perfumes, but yeah, this is my Chloe perfume, and it smells lush. You guys should try this. It's tight to get off. There's a bow around it. There we go. You can see it's got a swish thing. Don't worry, I'm not spraying it, but it smells amazing. So I thought I'd do a video on I'll be unboxing the perfume. And that's what I wanted to do with this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to check out my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell down below to notify every time I post new videos. On to the next video, guys. Bye for now.